Hi everyone, I'm going to do an unboxing of VOX AC30 amPlug2. This is a nice toy and I just bought it roughly 2 months ago. So let's check it out. Well, here is hard paper. Just pour it out, then we got, I think is, oh well, here is an warranty card and instructions for this amPlug. Well, let's leave it alone. And here is a connector adjustment for your headphone. Then it got three batteries. I already put it on the equipment. So let's check it out. Here, these two batteries are free. Comes with the amPlug. Okay. So I bought, there are like 4 different series of this amPlug2. I bought AC30 since I love sound of tube. And there are 3 buttons here. The first one is gain. You can control the gain level from 1 to 10. And the second one is tone. The third one is volume. And here we got an FX button. It can adjust 4 effects on this amPlug. I remember that chorus, delay, and I forgot the 2 effects. Then here is the aux in. Then here's power button. You just push it like 2 minutes. You're showing a yellow light. Then you can plug this in your guitar. And when you push one time on the power button, it becomes a little red. Then you got the trembler effect. And if you push it again, it becomes so totally red, and the trembling effect is increased. So you just put it again. It's normal mode. Okay, let's power off. Well, and this cost me roughly 40 US dollars. Well, $40 US. And I think the sound is quite good compared to my VOX Pathfinder 15R. Well, it's kind of imitation of VOX AC30, and I do love the sound, the punch, the quality is so good, and the most important thing is that there's no noise when you use this amPlug, and so you can hear your picking so very clearly. And do I recommend this amPlug? I would say yes. Seems it's cheap, and you can practice electric guitar in the night, and you won't affect your neighbors, your roommates, or something. The VOX amPlug2 is made in Japan and the quality is quite good. As you can see on the video, it's really nice, and it only costs you 2 batteries. And for these 2 batteries, I will use it for roughly 2 months, and it still got power on it, so it's not a really battery consuming machine. Alright, I think that's all for this video. If you would like to know anything else or test on this equipment, just leave comment below. And okay, see you guys, bye.